Stuck trying to find your Jira sprint number for a report or an automation rule? I know the frustration. You can see the sprint name right there in the board, but the actual numeric ID that Jira needs for things like JQL queries or API calls is just hidden. Here is the exact trick to reveal it in seconds. So here is the plan. We are going to use JQL to search for your sprint by name. Then we are going to grab the number straight from the search bar. Just 8 simple steps, and you will have that ID. All right, let me walk you through this in a real Jira account so you can see exactly how it works. Start by logging into your Jira instance. Get to your main project view, the one where you see your issues. Now, look over at the left side panel. Go ahead and click on the Filters section. You will see it listed there along with boards and projects. Next, inside that Filters area, click on Search Work Items. This opens up the standard issue search view that you are probably already used to. Now, at the top of the search screen, you will see a button that says JQL. Click on that. This switches you from the basic mode to the advanced JQL mode. And this is where the magic happens. Click into the search bar at the top. Now type the following exactly like this: sprint equals. Make sure you include the space after the equal sign. Jira is pretty particular about that syntax. Now, after the equal sign, start typing the name of the sprint you need the number for. For example, if your sprint is called Sprint 5, just type in Sprint 5. As you type, Jira will show you a drop-down list of matching sprints from your project. Here is the really important part. Click on that sprint from the drop-down. Do not just hit Enter. Actually click on the name. Now, look at the search bar. You will see that Jira has automatically rewritten your query. Instead of just the sprint name, it now shows sprint equals and then a number in parentheses. That number right there in the parentheses is your sprint ID. That is the number you need for reports, automation rules, or any advanced JQL queries. So there you go. In just a few clicks, you went from not being able to find that sprint number anywhere in the UI to having it right in front of you. Now you can use that ID in filters, in automation, or wherever you need a precise numeric reference instead of a name. I have tested this in several different Jira versions, and it works every time. Give it a try on your own projects, and you will be pulling those sprint numbers in seconds.